Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying capability. If your phone or tablet supports HDR, the game can use it. That matters because HDR increases dynamic range and color accuracy. Once done, update Bgmi to the latest build and enable any system game mode or GPU turbo you have. This reduces stutter. Make sure you're plugged into power and at full brightness, and quit heavy background apps so the HDR rendering won't be throttled by thermal limits. Now, inside Bgmi, go to Settings then Graphics. Select HDR or Ultra HDR when available because this switches the rendering pipeline to use extended color and contrast. Next, pick an FPS target that your device can sustain. Higher FPS improves responsiveness, but may force the GPU to tone down HDR processing. Then fine-tune saturation and color temperature to prevent blown highlights. Make small changes and test, since HDR can exaggerate oversaturated presets and hide enemies in extreme contrast. Finish by testing across maps and lighting. HDR improves sky and shadows, but it can also mask targets in dark corners, so verify where it helps. If you see flicker, banding, or color artifacts, lower the HDR intensity, update your device GPU drivers, or turn off screen overlays and capture apps. These often conflict. Finally, restart the device to flush the GPU state and save the configuration that maintains stable performance and clear visuals, because consistency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.